Hi Kumar. So, meron tayong spinach, garlic, dried tomato, and then we'll put cream cheese. Ayan. Just mix it up. Okay, we add salt. Paprika. Oh, napadami. No. Pepper. Then, so we got trout over here, or you can use salmon. Yan. Hiniwa ko yung chan. Lagay nyo to, palaman. Put it back. Okay, we got butter, garlic again. This is for the sauce. Half a cup of cream, water or broth, a teaspoon of lemon. I'll put chicken bouillon. Okay, salt and pepper. Okay, dried parsley, or you can have fresh. Okay, comers. Let's pour our sauce before we bake it. Okay, let's bake for 45 minutes to an hour. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng butter. Ayan. Then shrimp, optional. Then we're gonna broil it for 3 minutes. Okay. Let's broil it. Spinach, cream cheese, cream, and garlic.